Today we're going to be looking around our 2019 69 plate SEAT Cupra. What does it take around the bodywork? I'll take you inside and point out any features along the way. So starting with the front left quarter, LED daytime running lights across the windscreen, no chips or scratches. House in front. Small curving on the front right wheel, good tyres. Good condition, back right wheel. LED lights on the back. Boot. And those rear seats do fold down as well. Out to the back left. Spotless back left wheel. Good tyre. Again, markers. Front left wheel. Good tyre. Inside we've got these grey cloth seats, shouting up because the doors are open. And we've got the electric mirrors and windows. Just the driver's view. So on the clock we've got 6,742 miles. You've got your trip computer here. So you've got your speed warning, your assist systems, your navigation, your audio, so your Bluetooth audio, telephone, and back to driving data. Was that vehicle status? Yeah, so nothing coming up on the vehicle status. Over here we've got your digital radio and FM radio. Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth telephone, voice control, sat nav. We've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink. Trip computers. And then you've got your main menu there as well, so you can upload some images and it'll flick through the images as you're driving. Various other little things you'd have to have a play around with. You've got your auxiliary input and 2 USB ports, there for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, or just to charge your phone. Air conditioning all works well. 5-speed manual gearbox, you've also got start-stop systems. Some cup holders and some other little cubby holes, and a 12-volt power supply, and that pretty much sums it up. Auto lights, I think I might have said that, I'm not sure. In the back, the seats are in nice condition with ISOFIX points. Is pretty much it. If you are interested in the vehicle, please feel free to give us a call at 07917 33378. The vehicle comes with 1 year warranty, 1 year's MOT, 1 year's AA breakdown cover. However, please be advised the vehicle is a category N, so that means that we won't be able to sort finance out in the vehicle. However, it is lovely condition all round. Yeah, so if you want to find more information out about the vehicle, get in contact with us or visit our website paylessforcar.com, where you'll find the advert, more information about us as a company. I hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye bye.